Hair loss treatment, 4 proven home remedies for thicker hair. Hair loss is a common issue these days. Because hair is regarded as an asset that improves one's physical appearance, balding or thinning hair is a problem that many people want to resolve as soon as possible. Excessive physical or emotional stress, hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, pollution, allergies, use of incorrect hair care products, poor hair care routine, and heredity are all common causes of thinning hair. There is no need to spend money on expensive treatments and products if you have thinning hair. There are numerous natural remedies available to help you achieve thicker, voluminous hair. Here are 4 excellent home remedies for naturally thickening your hair. 1. Aloe vera and castor oil. When looking for effective thick hair remedies, try this magical combination of aloe vera and castor oil. Both of these ingredients have a plethora of benefits for dry hair. Aloe vera activates dormant follicles, promoting hair growth. It contains a proteolytic enzyme as well as minerals such as zinc and copper. Many fashionistas want to thicken their hair in a week or so. You can get relief quickly by using aloe vera and castor oil. Castor oil's fatty acid and vitamin E content, in particular, promote rapid hair growth. Furthermore, due to its density, it coats the hair viscously. How to apply? For the best results, combine aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons castor oil, 1 cup. Add 1 spoon of fenugreek powder to this solution for added benefits. 2. Pumpkin seed oil. There is no better way to thicken your hair than with natural methods, so try pumpkin seed oil. This is a lesser-known method for naturally growing long, thick hair. Pumpkin seeds are high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, amino acids, lipids, and vitamins. This preserves the regular structure of the cells as well as the moisture of your scalp and hair. This oil also helps to prevent hair loss to a large extent. How to apply? You can implement pumpkin seed oil directly to your scalp. Furthermore, it can be consumed in the form of supplements or directly. Take a teaspoon of this oil 3 times a day and drink it for a month to get thick and strong hair. 3. Lemon juice and aloe vera. What about thick hair home remedies to improve your hair's quality? Lemon juice, which is high in vitamin C, can aid in hair growth. In addition, lemon juice can strengthen your immune system while also reducing inflammation. It also slows or prevents graying of the hair. Lemon juice is a great option if you're looking for a quick way to make your hair look thicker. It can also be combined with aloe vera for a more potent effect. How to apply? If you're looking for a way to make your hair thicker, you can try this traditional remedy. After cutting a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into a bowl. Apply it liberally to your scalp and massage it in for a few minutes. Allow it to dry for another 10 minutes to remove the oil and dirt from your scalp. You can also implement this treatment by combining a few drops of lemon juice with half a cup of aloe vera juice. Thoroughly rinse your scalp. 4. Eggs. If you are concerned about your diet, you should eat eggs because of their high protein content. This will help to thicker your hair naturally in a short period of time. Let your hair share the nutrients. You may be surprised to learn that you can apply raw egg yolk directly to your hair. Use the egg yolk to your advantage if you want thick hair in a month. This is high in nutrients such as vitamins A and D, as well as proteins such as folate and biotin. Apply it to your hair to nourish the scalp and roots, making them stronger. How to apply? Whisk 2 eggs and the yolk together. Apply the viscous material to your hair and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. You will immediately notice that your hair has become silky and soft. It is an efficient method of deep moisturizing. You could choose to have this treatment twice a month. Bonus tip. 5. Coconut oil. You've probably heard that coconut oil is one of the most popular natural remedies for thin hair. Apply coconut oil to your hair if you want to make it thicker naturally. It contains fatty acids, which condition your hair and improve its health. Furthermore, coconut oil hydrates the follicles, removing dryness and dandruff. It significantly reduces hair loss as a result of the process. You may be wondering how coconut oil can help your hair grow thicker and healthier. It has UV filters that protect your hair from the damaging effects of sun rays. How to apply. It is recommended that you apply 2 tablespoons of this oil to your scalp before taking a bath. Keep in mind that your hair is most vulnerable when wet. You can even leave the oil on for several hours or overnight before rinsing it off. Alternatively, you can massage your scalp with warm coconut oil. For the next 15 minutes, wrap your hair in a towel. This allows the warm oil to penetrate the shaft of your hair. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends.